All right guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today my plan was to get the first part of the up stack welded on, which is welded on. The rest are all going to be sectional pieces going forward. Just minutes ago. And then I did want to do a first burn in it, kind of get any of the paint and stuff like that on the outside. So yeah, even though the weather's crappy, gonna go ahead and get some kindling and start a fire. Yeah, it seems like once you get it going, filling up the stack nice and good. All right, so we've had it going for a little while. Don't see really any issues except for the door. I'm gonna have to get some kind of high temperature gasket to put in there. I knew I probably did, but you know, I don't have any now. You can see where all the hot spots are. I think it'll work pretty good. I'm only gonna be using small kindling and stuff like that just for a little kind of heat source. Yeah, because that's more than enough radiant heat. If I close that off inside of my in this shed here, you know, it's only what, a 10 by 10, 100 square foot, you know, it'll probably be no problem. So yeah, so we'll finish burning that up, let it cool, clean it out, bring it in here, start fitting it up probably tomorrow or something like that. Give it a day to cool. Hopefully it doesn't freeze in the ground. Can't see it, but you never know. But yeah, let's say that's going pretty good.